In this tutorial, we will walk through the steps on how to withdraw cryptocurrency from the Hotcoin exchange to another wallet or platform. On the home page, tap Assets at the bottom bar and then select Withdraw. On the Withdrawal page, choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. For this example, we will use USDT. Once you tapped on the selected cryptocurrency, choose your withdrawal method. For on-chain withdrawal, you are withdrawing your tokens to another exchange or on-chain wallet. Once you click on-chain withdrawal, enter the address you want to send to by scanning the QR code or pasting the address. Select the correct withdrawal mainnet, such as TRC20, BEP20, or ERC20, and so on. Make sure that the network you choose to withdraw matches the deposit network, or else assets may be lost. You won't want that to happen. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double-check all details to ensure the token, network, and address are correct to avoid any loss of funds. Once verified, click on Withdraw. For security, Hotcoin may require identity verification or code confirmation. Asides, you can also transfer internally within Hotcoin's exchange by email, mobile, or UID. Here, you just need to key in your fellow Hotcoin user's email, phone number, or UID for you to transfer your tokens to him or her. Key in your withdrawal amount and then click Withdraw. Simple as that. Good news for you, internal transfer is free. No fees are required for transferring. After submitting the withdrawal request, you can track the withdrawal progress in the Assets tab. The transfer speed depends on the blockchain network's confirmation time, so please be patient. Now you know how to withdraw cryptocurrency from Hotcoin to an external wallet. It's simple, efficient, and easy. For more information, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.